Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually duplicate a post in your website. So first of all, go ahead and open your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin and put in your username or email and then put in your password. If you don't know how the landing page will look like, it will look like something like that. And here, as I said, you put your username/email and here password. So with doing so, you can click on login and this page will be showed for you. Now, for example, sorry guys, for example, you had a post and there is a section of the post that you really like and you want to duplicate it to change it later on. For example, let's give you a real example. Now, let's say, for example, we have that. Let's create a new post. 10 ways to grow your hair better. Okay, now we add here something like that, one, and we make eat healthy food, something like that. We make it bold, we make it a line in the middle. You can, for example, add whatever editing you'd like. You can add whatever thing you like. Now let's go back here, let's go down, and here we can make, for example, something like, like that, and from here we can make it as a list. Okay, like that, something like that. Okay, now for example, you have like this block or this section and you want to make a copy of it or duplicate it. What you have to do is click on it like that, click on it like that, and from here click in here and click on duplicate, and that's how you can actually duplicate the whole section. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually duplicate a post in your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.